As you know, you guys, I live in Vancouver, British Columbia, and Seattle is 2 hours from me by drive. The border wasn't that busy when I crossed it, and probably 20 minutes. So here's my friend in Seattle, and we are going to explore the Seattle for one full day. We are at Crab Pot. It's a seafood place where you can eat a lot of crabs and lobster. So that's our brunch. I know it's... Cheers!
Welcome!
Ano masabi ng turista? Ayan, pagkasama. Cheers na, guys.
Yeah, it's 2 person each order.
Miggy.
It's the minimum orders per 2 people.
Dalawa lang.
Maybe 2.
Cheers!
We'll do 1 salmon on the side and then 1 salmon on the other side. Alright, so we're gonna go right here, okay?
Holy, that's food? Oh my
So
god.
that's the order.
Nakatago sa ano. Ano na?
Di ba sabi niyo
Cheers!
welcome! Welcome to
Ano masabi ng...
Yummy!
Holy, I'm gonna send this to Riley.
Wow!
Empty.
Thank you! Bigyan ka ng kanin namin.
Inuna yung kanin. It really seemed like it's delicious. Where did the food go?
Bigyan ka ng kanin namin.
Inuna yung kanin.
Bigyan ka ng kanin namin.
After our brunch, we went to a pub close by and we had our cocktails there. So it was around 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Ano ka ba? Sana ito mo habang ano?
Kill myself?
Sadya yung ganun daw talaga.
Ganyan daw talaga. Ako yung pinaka-boring na drinks dito.
Hindi, like, gusto rin kitang mag-last die.
Yeah. Otherwise, I'll be freaking useless. So around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we went to Theo Chocolate Factory. It was a lot of fun, and we see the history of the chocolate making based in Seattle. Very delicious. We had lots of chocolates. We got chocolate drunk. After getting high at the chocolate factory, we are up again for a meal. So we went close by at a burger house around that street, around probably 3 minutes from Theo Chocolate Factory. And it was a hole in the wall, but it was a very delicious burger they got there. At around 7 o'clock, we are due for drinks again, so we went to a restaurant along that area. It's called the Backdoor. It was beautiful, the art wall, and just the atmosphere is really, really romantic. So after that, we stayed in this place for a couple hours, around 10 o'clock. We went back home, and that's it for our full day in Seattle. It was fun. How about you guys? Did you enjoy your full day in Seattle? Please leave a comment below. Have a good day. Ciao.